In this Blender tutorial, I will show you how to separate a face from an object. Other tutorials can be found in my playlists. Okay, well, I'm using Blender version 2.8 for this tutorial, and it is the beta version. So a couple of things may change, though. This version I'm using now is, I can't imagine they're going to change too much on it. So without further ado, what I'm going to do is just go into the edit mode. I've assumed you know how to do this, otherwise no point in doing this tutorial. And I'm going to go into the face select. So let's say I wanted to separate this face here, so I'll just left click on it. Now all I need to do is just press Y on my keyboard, and I will literally have separated this face, and that's all there is to it. An interesting, let me go back to, interestingly, if you select two faces, say like this, and then press Y on your keyboard, and then press on the left click on your other face, if you just drag it out, this will happen. So that's all you need to do, really. Just select a face and then just press Y. If you want to separate the faces to use in the object view, what you'll need to do is just select all, and then if you just press P on your keyboard, you can separate by loose parts, and then just go into object mode. What you should find is that everything is separated, and that's all there is to it. So select a face in edit mode and press Y, or select a group of faces and press Y, and then separate them so you can muck around with them in edit mode. That's all there is to it, really. Hopefully that's helped somebody. Thank you for watching. Cheers.